You may accidentally delete or format files from SD card and want to recover the files. Here we introduce an easy way to recover deleted or formatted files from SD card on a Mac. The tool we use is System Data Recovery, a powerful SD card recovery software to recover deleted, formatted and corrupted files from SD card, hard drive, video player or other storage device. There are files in my SD card, some photos and videos for travel. First, I am going to permanently delete some files on my SD card. Then, launch the program. Choose a scan mode. Here we pick Quick Scan, since I deleted the files just now and the files in my SD card is not that large in size. But if you want to recover a file deleted a long time ago, or your SD card is large in capacity, try Deep Scan. Choose your SD card and click Scan. The deleted files are found immediately. Check the folders in each type, unfold it to preview the document. If you want to recover this file, check the box. If not, uncheck the box. Then click Recover to restore deleted or formatted files from SD card. Check the recovered files in the Output folder. You can see all the deleted files are found back. Thanks for watching. If this is helpful, please like us.